You can do some amazing bird spotting on Java, the world's most populous island in Indonesia. Learn of protected bird species and walk around places densely packed with bird life. Everywhere you look in these places, you can see birds. There are robins, thrushes, bulbuls, orioles and so much more. Visit these places, the bird markets of Java, and you might find species that are unique to Indonesia, while other species are found across much of Asia. The markets arose through Javans' love of keeping birds at home, and they reflect the skills of Javan bird trappers, who can catch big birds, small birds, even the shyest of birds. Outside the bird markets, even in protected forests like this, it's peaceful. No birds sing, no birds fly through the trees. With no birds to eat them, it's paradise for insect pests like caterpillars. Now it's time to restore the balance. Make bird trapping history. And really love birds. Love wild birds, flying free.